Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring drivers are current, because outdated drivers cause wrong resolutions. Once done, right-click the desktop and open Display Settings. This shows monitors, resolution, and scale. You should identify the active display and note the current resolution and scale percentages so you can revert if needed. Make sure to plug in any external monitor and set it as active. This first step prevents wasted changes and gives you a clear baseline to work from before adjusting anything. You change the resolution drop-down to the suggested native value. Apply the change and confirm it within 15 seconds because Windows will revert if unstable. Once done, open Advanced Display Settings to verify the refresh rate and color depth match your monitor specs. Mismatches create blurriness or black bars. If you need a non-standard size, use your GPU control panel, Intel, NVIDIA, or AMD to create a custom resolution. Make sure to test after each tweak so you can isolate which change fixed the issue. You finalize by confirming settings are saved and apps render correctly at the chosen resolution. If problems persist, reinstall or roll back your display driver because driver updates can introduce bugs. Once done, reboot and retest. Make sure to check Windows Update and monitor firmware, and try a different cable or input port to rule out hardware. If the display is unusable, boot into safe mode or use system, restore to revert to a previous working state. This often resolves stubborn conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.